और नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के सदर डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला ने कहा है कि बदकिस्मती से हमें अभी भी पड़ोसी के साथ मसला है और पड़ोसी के साथ मसला फौजी कार्रवाइयों से हल नहीं होगा। उन्होंने कहा कि जब तक हम अपने पड़ोसी से बात नहीं करेंगे हम मसला हल नहीं कर पाएंगे। उन्होंने कहा कि दहशतगर्द आते रहे हैं और हमें इसका सामना करना पड़ता है और बेगुनाह लोग मारे जाते हैं। इन्होंने कहा कि अमरनाथ यात्रा शुरू होने वाली है और इसमें अगर कोई भी छोटा सा वाकया भी रूनुमा होता है तो हमें बाकी मुल्क में निशाना बनाया जाएगा, जबकि हम कश्मीरी इसके जिम्मेदार नहीं हैं।
Problem with neighbor will not be solved by military action. It cannot. No military action has solved anything. Look at what is happening in between Ukraine and Russia. People thought in 2 weeks it will be over. It's the second year now that war continues and destruction continues. And look at the Gaza situation. These things don't solve the problems. Today, United Nations Security Council has taken up now that between Hamas and Israelis, they will have to find a solution. And this is the way we find that in India also. Unless we talk to our neighbors, we will not be able to solve the problem that we have here. Because these terrorists are coming over the border. And they continue to come. Whichever government tomorrow is in here, we'll have to still face the same thing. And innocent people die. You see that a security person of the CRPF died in that attack in Kotua, in Doda. Now look at these things. Look at them seriously. And we need to come out of these situations. How long will we face these tragedies? And we have a yatra coming now, which is a major yatra. Any small incident that might take place in that will be blown up in the rest of the country. And we Kashmiris are not responsible for these things. We have never favored these things.